Hi everyone, you are all again welcomed to another video of Anyone Can Be Creative. In this video, I'll show you all how to make a paper Toran. It's a very interesting kind of origami as it includes both craft as well as origami. So let's see what is it. So as you all can see, I have taken a square sheet of paper to make the origami. At first, again we have to fold this paper half diagonally. Now again fold this paper along another diagonal. Once folded, fold this paper into half. Now take the paper and move as I show you. Take this side and open it and then put it inside. Similarly, take this side and again insert it, and you will find that a triangle has been created. Now take one of the flap and fold it half at first. Then open it again and now fold it in such a way that this side touches this line in this manner. Similarly, take this flap as well and okay. You must make sure that it's in half only. Now take a scissor and cut along this line. See, I've cut it. Okay. Now do the same thing along in this side as well. At first, fold the flap, then open it, and then fold the flap in a way that this side touches this line. And this one. Now take the scissor and cut it. Simple. Now clear them. And you will find that the paper is looking like this. Now open the flaps like this. Now take this flap as I show, insert your finger in it and then open. Didn't understand? Again see. take the flap, insert the finger, open it and fold it along this line and this line. Okay, like this. This similar thing has to be done with this and this flap as well. So after folding these pages, you will find that your page is looking like this. Okay, now there are how many sides or flaps? You may say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flaps. Now take one flap and fold it such a way that this line touches this line and do it like this. Similarly, take this one and do it like this. Now I just turned the paper and did the same. You will find that this is the condition of your paper. Okay, now again open this flap, these folds. Done. Now take one of the folds and insert your finger in it and fold it in such a way that it is folded along this line and this line. See, at first here, then this one, and then fold it again. Again take this flap. If you find it difficult, then this fold can be done along this side as well, and then closed, inserted. This same thing has to be done with other flaps as well. Now your paper will be looking somewhat like this. Okay, now open this paper as I show. This will be a pentagonal circular shaped. This will be the upper hemisphere or the lower hemisphere of your paper Toran. Similarly, prepare another hemisphere. As you all can see, these are the two hemispheres of the paper Toran. Okay, now take one of the hemispheres which you want to make the upper hemisphere and take a needle and pierce a hole where I am showing you. pierce a hole. Okay, now take a thread and pass it to the hole. Now, as you all can see, I have passed the thread through the hole, and I have also tied a thick knot so that when I pull this thread from this side, it gets stuck here. See? Now comes the last step. In the last step, we have to join this paper to hemispheres like this. For this step, we need glue. I am using Origami. You may use anything, any type of glue. At first, apply some glue here. Okay. It's better to glue all what I can say is it's better to glue all the slots, because once you insert them, they will be dried and they will stick together quickly. So then this slot, done. Now take the upper hemisphere, okay, and insert them. Correctly. Make sure you insert them correctly so that they stick to their position. Do this very carefully, as if one of the flaps also miss out, then whole thing will become a rubbish. See? If you think some places are not glued well, then you may apply a little glue here along this boundary and then glue them. Now let it dry for some time. Your paper toran is ready to be hung in the wall of your room. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. Comment on how you feel about the video. Let me know in the comment section that what video should I make the next. Meet with you in another video. Until then, goodbye.